So, I have purchased this magnetic cable. In this video, I am going to unbox it and also I am going to tell you that how is this cable and should you buy it or not. So, hi friends, you are watching All About Tech, and without wasting your time, let's start. Okay, this is the box of this magnetic cable. Here is some information about this cable. It has stronger magnetism, 360-degree auto connect, plug in and out freely. On the back side, there is some more information about this cable. If you want, you can read it. Now, I am going to unbox it, but before that, let's talk about the price. I have purchased this cable from Flipkart for rupees 280, means 269 rupees plus 11 super coins. Now, let's unbox it and let's see that how is this cable. I am going to talk about the charging speed. Does it support fast charging or not? Let's see. So I'm now going to open this box. In the box you will get this cable and some connectors or pins. This is the cable and here is the lightning connector. Okay, and also I will keep this connector or I will keep this pin here, and also along with that you will get micro USB connector and type C connector. Okay, first let's talk about the wire quality of the cable. I will say it is good for the price, but it is not best. I will say for this price, for nearly 280 rupees, it is good. These are the three connectors or pins. Okay, now I'm going to charge my Samsung Galaxy M21 with this cable. I am going to use the charger which is provided in the box of Samsung Galaxy M21, means 15 watts of charger. But I am not going to use the cable which is provided in the box. I am going to use this magnetic cable. Let's see that how is the charging speed, and main thing, does it support fast charging or not. Let's see. Okay, this is the charger of Samsung Galaxy M21, 15 watts of charger. You might be knowing that Samsung Galaxy M21 supports 15 watts of charging, but I've connected this magnetic cable with this charger. Let's see that how is the charging speed, and main thing, does it support fast charging or not. Now I'm going to connect the type C connector or type C pin which is provided in the box of this magnetic cable. So I've connected this pin. Now I'm going to connect the cable. Okay, connected. So it is not charging fast. This cable is not providing the output that is required for fast charging. Now this cable which I have purchased, this cable does not support fast charging, but there are many other magnetic cables that support fast charging. You can consider them if you want fast charging. Now I will remove this magnetic cable and I will connect the original cable which came with this phone. And as you can see, now it is showing that it is charging fast. Let's wait for 5 minutes and let's see that how much it will get charged. Okay, now 5 minutes are completed and I will say that charging speed is decent. It is not too good, not too bad. overall it is average. So I forgot to mention main thing. I was editing this video and I came to know that I forgot to mention main thing. I was using Samsung Galaxy M21 that comes with 6000 mAh of battery. So considering the battery size, charging speed was decent. It was not too good and also it was not bad. But personally, I did not like the charging speed. So later when I'm going to mention advantages and disadvantages, I'm going to mention this thing or I'm going to consider this thing as a disadvantage. As it was charging 6000 mAh battery phone, so it was charging nearly 3% of battery in 5 minutes. If your phone has 4000 mAh or 5000 mAh battery, then it will charge nearly 4% of battery in 5 minutes. Nearly 4% of battery. I am not telling you the exact percentage, but yeah. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this cable. There are two pros and two cons. So I will start with the pros first. First thing that I liked about this cable is the quality of the wire. It is good. Now I'm not telling that it is really best, but it is good for the price. For 280 rupees, I will say yeah, it is good. Personally, I like the quality of the wire. Next thing that I liked about this cable is that they have provided three connectors: micro USB, type C and lightning connector. You can connect your iPhone or iPad. Also you can connect any type C device. Also you can connect any micro USB device. So it is really good. They have provided three connectors and that's it. These were the pros. Now talking about the disadvantages or cons. First thing that I did not like about this cable is the charging speed. It does not support fast charging. Now if you want fast charging, fast magnetic cable, if you want magnetic cable and if you want fast charging, then there are many other options which are available, but this cable which I have purchased, it does not support fast charging. It will provide normal charging speed. And yeah, this was the disadvantage. Talking about the next disadvantage or con, next thing that I did not like about this cable is that you have to attach the connector properly with the cable, otherwise it will not provide good charging speed. If you will not attach it properly, then charging speed will reduce and it will not provide you good charging speed. This is another disadvantage which I have noticed. Okay, I will explain it with example. Now I am going to move this phone. Now, yeah, as you can see, I was talking about this thing. As I move this phone, so charging speed has reduced. If this cable is not placed properly or not connected properly with the pin or with the connector, then charging speed will reduce. These were the pros and cons. These were the two advantages and two disadvantages of this cable. Now talking about the conclusion. Should you purchase this cable? Well, if you want some unique gadget, if you want some unique cable, then you can consider it. Personally, I will say it is not too good, not too bad. Yeah, if you want, you can consider it. Otherwise, you can ignore it. That's it. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video. Follow me on Instagram. Instagram ID is Saumil_AAT. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.